Hi, so in this video, we are going to learn how to attach a Google Sheet to a form created inside BoloForms. Firstly, on the left hand side, you can click on Create Form. Then you can either create a blank form or select from a template. I'll go ahead with the template. And over here, you can change the form name, the description, and there is an option to connect Google Spreadsheet. Let us click on Attach and then Create Form. So whenever you want to attach a Google Sheet for the first time, we'll require certain permissions to put all the data from BoloForm submissions into Google Sheet. So you can click on grant permission, and over here you can grant the permission from the same email ID that you have created the form. Just click on the checkbox, click on continue, boom, you're back inside the dashboard. Let us go back to the previous tab and click on done, create my form. Once you have clicked on this, all the questions are automatically present. Okay, and what you can do is, if you see on the right hand side, all the questions are over here. You can shuffle them from here also. This makes it easier for you to shuffle. And now let us preview the form and submit a response. Once you have submitted the form, if you go back to the dashboard, here you can see that there is no place where you can see the Google Sheet. So where is the Google Sheet? So if you go back to the dashboard over here, if you click on the open spreadsheet button, the Google Sheet attached to this form will open up. Okay. And as you can see, we have created a new sheet, BoloForms approvals. And in this sheet is where all the responses will come in. As you can see, we have just submitted the response. It is already present over here. And let us open the approval dashboard from here. So in the sheet, you can see the approval status was in progress. If I click on approve, it will be marked approved inside this dashboard as well as in the Google Sheet. So that is how do you attach a Google Sheet to a BoloForms form. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.